Hi, my name is Simon Piratandi and my registration number is UR15CS141 and this is my fourth experiment in Java lab and my topic is on inheritance and runtime polymorphism. So the second one is the question which is allotted to me. So here is the question. The question is to create a superclass called car rental with the function calculate trip cost and I have to derive three classes. The three classes will be the three classes are Tata Indica, Innova and Swift Desire. So it has the three cars. So they are with the three classes and at last I have to create a menu driven application so where the user has to choose the type of travel, distance and number of days he traveled and at last I have to print the total cost of for the travel and driver data. So here is the program. So here I have given a header file that is import java.util.scanner. The scanner class, as we know, it's used to take the input from the user. So here I have created the superclass that is car rental, and I have created a function that is calculate trip cost as it was given in the question. So next I have created the class Swift Desire and I have extended it to car rental as in inheritance to inherit from the superclass we have to give extents. So here I have given it. So I have created an object of scanner and I have taken some variables. So in now for checking the function, uh, in the function I have made calculate trip cost as it is the function which is in the superclass, but I am extending it. So here, so as I am extending it, it will override the function in superclass. So first I'm asking the user for whether it's the trip will be local or outstation. So here it will take the input from it and next I will take the distance traveled and I will do as per the question it has been given. So as the question it is given that from 5 kilometer to 20 kilometer it should cost 8 rupees and for 20 kilometer to 100 kilometer it should cost 10 rupees like that to make it. So here I have done an if statement. If the distance traveled is greater than 5 and less than 20, then it should be multiplied like this. And I have created if else if. So similarly, the number of days will be calculated. So as number of days is also given here. So here as per day it will be calculated. So for local and outstation, for both cases we have to do. So as I am taking for one for local and two for outstation. So I'm taking the switch class here. Similarly, so as I have to find the driver bata and total trip cost. So here I am taking the driver bata as per the required as per the requirement given by the question. So for taking the driver bata per day, it will be 200. So as if the user is taking 5 days, then 200 into 5 it will be taken like that. So here the driver bata plus the total trip cost. So it's how it will print for the it will calculate the trip cost of the car that is Swift Desire. Similarly, I have created another two class that is Innova and Tata Indica. So after creating these three class, I have created the main function, main class here. So here I have created the main functions as per the question it was there. I have to create the main function. So in the main function, it should create a menu-driven application for the user to choose the car, the type of travel distance, and at last it should print the total cost and travel with driver and driver button. So here I have taken the I have given the output under one for to select Tata Indica, two to select Innova, and three to select Swift Desire. And I have given the switch case. So as the switch case for the case one, it will take it for Tata Indica, and for case two, it will take for Innova, and case three, it will take for Swift Desire. So here I will run it. So here. So here, if I will give some like Innova, I'm giving 2. If I'm going for out station, I'm giving 2. Enter the distance travel. If I have traveled some 20 kilometers, and if for 20 kilometers I have taken for 5 days, so here I will give it. So at last for five, it will calculate the driver weight bata and the total trip cost. So total trip cost will be 6,130 rupees. So this is the trip cost, and this is the driver beta. So this is how we will do inheritance. So for inheritance, we can extend from base class to super class by using the keyword extends. This is my program on inheritance and runtime polynomial. Thank you.